Do we think that you could behave yourself just for a little while, just while Mummy has a chance to wake up? That's it, you have a little think about it. Good girl. Who's being a good girl? Oh, not you. So you're going to give Mummy a chance to wake up, yeah? Daisy? Good girl. She's giving me a chance to wake up. Are you going to give me a chance to wake up as well, Joey? Oh, no. Are you having a sulk? No, that's mean you have a little cuddle then. Okay, we could have a little cuddle, can't we, while we wake up? Okay. Daisy, did you have a little think about whether you're going to be a good girl? Let Mummy wake up slowly. Daisy? Daisy? Did you have a little think about whether Mummy can have a lie in? Did you? Did you think? Oh no. Now what's she doing, eh? Another little think. You have another little think, yeah? Maybe you don't need all of your toys on the bed. That might help you, just to relax. Maybe she's just gone somewhere else to have a little sleep on her. No, now she's got Rubber Ducky as well. What have you got there? She brought Rubber Ducky. She's brought Rubber Ducky. She has brought Rubber Ducky. Very nice. We like Rubber Ducky, don't we? Rubber Ducky's fairly quiet. Are you having Rubber Ducky? So who's got Rubber Ducky now? You brought Rubber Ducky, Daisy. And Dottie's got Rubber Ducky. Yeah. So Daisy brought the Rubber Ducky, and now Dottie's got the Rubber Ducky, and now we're going to have a little fight over Rubber Ducky, aren't we? Because there aren't enough toys in the house, and we all want Rubber Ducky. And this is Mummy's relaxing morning. I fear it's only going to get worse. So, okay. There's my little darlings. They look so angelic. Oh. And this is my relaxing morning. Morning, Mummy. Morning, Mummy.